It's Thursday, next training day. Actually, I didn't film because Wednesday is gym day with my son. So now back on the road. Hopefully it doesn't rain. It's a little bit warmer, so looking forward. Just tried to fix again my new bike. So let's see what happens. See you later. It's kind of frustrating because every day something doesn't work, so my freak belt needs a lot of love to get rolling. So it's the next day with my prototype of building my own bike. Let's see how it goes today. Let's get ready to rumble and have fun. Still something wrong. Just took off the bottom bracket and assembled it again. It's a Ninja Token EB86, but still there is something slightly wrong, just off for 0.2 millimeters. Well, let's continue the round and disassemble it again at home. So, is the new bike faster? Yes, it is, definitely. Is it more troublesome? Oh yeah, it is. What a nightmare. But at least it's awesome. It looks great. It's quick. And a lot of work. Fix it again, until it works. SRAM Red, awesome. SRAM Rival front derailleur, crap. SRAM Rival front levers, awesome. EliteWheels, awesome. Sonic's crank, crap. Toseek bar, pretty good. Mixed carbon cell, awesome. To close this day, don't forget, ride your bike every day. It's awesome. Cheers.